Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is cool one right here, and basically what these are some sunglasses. So for this brand right here, they actually make a lot of different types of sunglasses, whether it's like regular sunglasses or polarized sunglasses, and the list goes on. But for the one that we have right here is very different than the other one that's tested in the past. This one right here, it is polarized, but the way how they designed it actually works as a sports sunglasses. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. If you guys can see, this is from this brand right here. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, you see that once we open up the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take everything out. Alright, so you see that once we take out the product, this is basically what the product looks like. So you see the packaging for this one right here is very cool and very different than the other ones I reviewed in the past. The other ones I reviewed in the past come with a little baggie or something that hold it, whereas this one actually provides you guys a little case, which is pretty cool. And they have the logo right here, and the zipper right here, they do have the little logo here as well. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So right here, they do provide a lens cleaning cloth. So you use this to wipe off the lens and clean it if you guys need to. And then right underneath that is actual sunglasses. And that is everything inside right here. So you see the product is all nicely wrapped and everything. Let's take it out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we take it out, you can see the product right here. And they do have a polarized tester right here, which we'll use in a second. But let's open this up first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take out the sunglasses, you can definitely see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. And on the side right here, it is flexible as well. So if you guys want to go like this, it is definitely flexible. Same thing for other side as well, if you can see. Definitely very flexible. So that way the sunglasses can be really comfortable and actually give you guys a good support and feel to it when you guys put it on. And you see the way how they design the side right here definitely looks very unique and very nice. But this is basically what the front part looks like right here. And then on the other side right here, if you can see the way how they design the nose piece or nose pad right here. So once you guys put your nose on here, it should be really comfortable. And obviously for this lens right here, like I mentioned, it definitely has the UV protection on here. That's also polarized as well. But let's put it on and see how it feels and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So once we put it on, it definitely feels really comfortable for both this part right here and also in the ear right here. The way how they designed this sunglasses right here is supposed to be perfect for people who work out a lot. So maybe you guys go to a gym, or if you guys run a lot, if you guys do track and field or something. Basically, if you guys do any kind of physical activity, this is basically what this is for. But if you guys want to use it casually, you definitely can as well. But you basically get a very good comfort and support on these sunglasses right here. Like the moment I actually put this on, I can definitely feel that support and comfort on here. And I feel like this might be one of the best sunglasses that they made from this brand from all the ones that I've tested so far. And in terms of the look and design of it, actually looks pretty nice as well. If you guys can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the sunglasses right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're looking for sunglasses that you can use for like physical activities, such as for working out or going for runs or whatever, that has like the polarized option and definitely give you guys that comfort and support, that has that flexible option on the side right here. If you guys want everything that I just mentioned, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.